मैं गलतियों के बावजूद भी इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ। बोलने की कोशिश करने की मुझ में हिम्मत है। मैं हिम्मत रखता हूँ, चाहे बोली गई बात गलत हो या सही। और जो भी मेरे ज़हन में आता है मैं उसे इंस्टेंटली बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलने में तब तक सफल नहीं होऊंगा जब तक कि मैं गलती नहीं करूंगा। इस प्रकार कहा जाता है कि डर के आगे जीत है और डरना नहीं, सिर्फ करना है। हेलो माय डियर लर्नर्स, नमस्कार and welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner as well as a mentor. I love teaching in English and I also love expression in English. This is my hobby and this is my passion. First of all, in briefly, I would like to tell you about my channel. This is the channel What an Idea with Rakesh. You are watching right now. This channel I make a lot of videos related to learning English language for a spoken, written, and of course improve your speaking skill. If you watch my videos regularly, as we all know that in this channel I have started a series related to a speaking practice series, that is broken and spoken English speaking practice. This is the video for beginners, and of course all of you can watch these videos because it helps to improve your speaking skills. In these videos I allow myself to speak wrong English. This is called broken English. So without considering what I am speaking wrong or right, just listen and watch these videos and improve your speaking skill. Initially, you just start speaking. Don't think about making mistake in English while speaking. Just express and speak it, whatever comes in your mind. So this is the purpose to make these videos for beginners, especially. In the last previous video I told you about the statement speaking comes from speaking. It means if you want to be a good speaker, first of all you just start listening a skill, and after listening you just start speaking. That is the process, and this is the systematic way to learn and enhance your speaking skill. In which listening is input and then speaking is output. Now let's discuss today's topic. I am going to tell you about the word craze. It means, what does it mean? I want to say that you have the courage to try speak English, whether it is wrong or right, and you have the courage to face a lot of difficulty while speaking. In the beginning, you have to start speaking English with errors. Don't fear of making mistakes. Don't fear of people. So guys, you will not succeed to speak English unless you make mistakes. It is said that victory is beyond fear. As you know that failure is the pillar of success. Similarly, making mistakes while speaking English, similarly making mistakes while speaking English is the part of your learning journey. Despite the errors, you have the courage to try to speak English without fear of speaking in English wrong or right. Just express and speak it. Whatever comes in your mind, don't think about what you are speaking wrong or right. This is the first step to overcome this situation. Only then you will achieve this skill. And I want to say that don't think about grammar, vocabulary, rule, regulations. Just try to speak in English, think in English, listen in English. So, in the end, I would like to tell you one more thing, that is, English learning journey takes a lot of time. So have patience and keep practicing regularly. So this is all about the topic. I again tell you, you have the courage to try to speak English.